Hello there! It's a beautiful day to kickstart a healthy lifestyle. Ever wondered how you can shed that stubborn belly fat while still indulging in your favorite meals? Well, today we're embarking on a culinary adventure, exploring how to blast belly fat with tasty recipes. Don't miss out, hit that subscribe button and join us as we redefine healthy eating. Our first stop is the belly-blasting lemon ginger chicken. Imagine 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 2 large zesty lemons, a 1-inch cube of ginger, a dash of black pepper, a teaspoon of honey, and 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Combine these ingredients to create a marinade that not only flavors your chicken but also contributes to your health. A quick trip to the fridge for 30 minutes lets these flavors infuse, then sizzle those marinated chicken breasts on a hot grill or skillet. The result? A delicious lemon ginger chicken that aids digestion and weight management. And just like that, we've shown you that healthy eating doesn't mean sacrificing flavor. If you've enjoyed this culinary journey, give us a thumbs up and share your favorite dish in the comments. Want more? Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. We've got more tasty and nutritious recipes lined up for you. Stay tuned.